Hey guys, Panzer J back here in Operation Octopussy. Turn 4. It is January of 1938. So 4.8 for the KMT and 4.9 for the United States. So a little bit more to do this turn. We finally get to roll for some tech. The 10 IPP threshold is when the U.S. can start rolling for tech, and we're up to 11 thanks to the Japanese attack in China. So a little bit more to do this turn, but not a lot. So let's get into the KMT. Things not looking so good for them. Not only were the Japanese successful in all their attacks there in China, the territory rolls all went to the CCP. They were 3 for 3. So not looking so hot for the KMT right now. We're pretty much on the defensive. So with that in mind, the KMT had 8 IPP to spend. We're going to spend 6 of it on 2 infantry. Okay, no combat and just non-combat. So we're going to take this stack of 12 infantry here in Szechuan. We're going to come down 1 to Kwichao. Then we're going to have the 2 infantry in Kwangtung move up 1 to Kwichao. And we're going to have the 2 infantry here in Yunnan move over 1 to Kwichao. So that's 4 additional infantry, so that stacks up to 16. And that's it for non-combat. So unit placement, the 2 infantry are going to go down in Kwichao. So that's 6 altogether, and that's it for the KMT. So they saved $2. They're down just $3 worth of territory. So the KMT will have $5 to spend next turn. Pretty pathetic. So just a quick unit recap. Szechuan has a militia. Kwangtung has 4 militia. Yunnan has 4 militia. And Kwichao has 2 militia and 18 infantry. So that should be it for the KMT. I was just about to turn off the video until I, thank God, realized we have a U.S. turn. Okay, so on to the United States, turn 4.9. So let's get into, well, purchases real quick. There's nothing. The U.S. has $6. They're going to save it. So no purchases. Okay, so on to tech rolls. We do have 7 major factories on the board. So we get 7 tech rolls. And I did go ahead and I put a roundel next to the 4 techs the United States needs as part of their victory point. So those are going to be 4 of them. Jet fighters, an 8 or higher. Long-range aircraft, 8 or higher. Heavy strategic bombers, 9 or higher. Strategic rockets, 9 or higher. And then our other 3, we're going to try for improved construction, 7 or higher. Amphib doctrine, 7 or higher. And large ship construction, 8 or higher. Okay, so let's get to rolling some dice here. Okay, in descending order, we've got improved construction first at a 7. And 8 succeeds. Then we've got Amphib Doctrine at a 7. 10 succeeds, 2 for 2. What's next? Jet Fighters at an 8. 4 we miss. Long-range Aircraft at an 8. 7 we just miss. Large Ship Construction at an 8. 9 does succeed. Heavy strategic bombers right off the board. Ooh, I thought it was going to be a 10. 2 we miss. And rockets at a 9. An 8 we miss. So we hit 3, and now I I can't even remember if I remember the 3. Let's see. Improved construction, I believe. Amphib doctrine, I believe. And oh crap. Was it Jets? Ah, shit. I think it was Jets. I'm going to have to go back and look. I know I hit 3 of them. No. It was large ship construction, I think. Because I did improve. I was 2 for 2, so improved construction and fib. Then I think I missed those 2. Hit large ship construction and missed those 2, I think. I don't know. I know I hit 3. I'll go back and rewatch the video just in case, but 3 out of 7, so it's okay for a first turn of tech, I guess. Okay, non-combat. Clearly we have no combat. So this medium bomber here in Southwest United States, 1, 2, and all the way over here. 3, 4, we're going to land here in San Francisco. This tactical bomber is going to come down 1, 2 to San Francisco. And this light armor here in the Southwest United States is going to rail all the way over to New York. So, and that is it. Okay, so for income, we saved our 6 and we're collecting 11. So the United States should have 17 to spend next turn. Turning things over now to Global War 36 enthusiast and Germany.